Hi everyone, it's Ira from gmailfiend. So for today's video, I'll be discussing to you what is labels in Gmail. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so basically labels is an alternative for folders. So you switch to labels from folders. In Gmail, you use labels to categorize your email. So they are like folders but with a twist because you can apply several labels to an email. Then later find the email by clicking any of its labels from the left panel. You can also search by label. Okay, so for example, this one, I want to label this as work. So what I'm going to do is just right click on it and then label as work. So as you can see, the work label is already on the email, and I can easily see what emails is labeled as work, as for study, as for personal reasons, because you can use labels to track the status of people's tasks. For example, create the labels as the tasks. You can also organize email by nesting labels like subfolders. Um, identify email that needs a follow-up and identify email that can be read later. So as you can see, you can add as many labels as you want. Like for example, I want to add personal and then click create. You can also change the color of the label, and that's in another video. So again, if you want to label an email, just right click on it and then label as and then click it so it would be shown on your Gmail. So we hope you learned something from this video. We hope you learned about labels. And if you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button down below. And also don't forget to check our channel for more videos like this. See you on the next video and don't forget to label your emails. Bye!